Good morning!
Well, I wish I had smell-o-vision for this. Just took apart this Z73 AIO after being in use for about a year and a half. At first glance, it didn't look too bad, and then I took off the rubber cover for cold plate here, and as you can see, there's a lot of crud and nastiness on the inside, and then you can see there's little giblets of stuff that's on this paper towel. This is just remnants of the stuff that was left in the sink. Oh man, the smell is horrible.
I know the smell. That smells like ass. Nailed it!
The fluid that came out of it was brown and like chunky like, and this thing has been sealed since day one. It's never been opened. It's the first time it's been opened, and like I said, it's been used like a year and a half. You can see the color of the fluid left in the sink, a little bit more giblets of stuff. My sink was spotless before this. I can't believe that. This is nasty. If you got a Z73 making noise, you might want to check it, because this thing was making a lot of pump noise, and I thought it was just an air bubble. I thought it was something that, you know, maybe I could just pop the top and top off the fluid and, you know, maybe bleed it a little bit like I've had a lot of people suggest. But no, it in fact is trashed, my friends. What do you think I should do with it? You know, I really wanted to salvage the LCD for something and use it in, you know, again, really try to salvage this thing, but I don't think I can do that. I mean, I'm gonna flush it with distilled vinegar, and I'm gonna clean it really good, and I'm gonna fill it up with some maybe EK cryo fuel or some Corsair fluid and yeet it back. Oh, I can't stand this smell. Just figured I'd give you all a little quick video of this. This is pretty wild. A lot of people have had issues with AIOs over the years, but I've never experienced an issue with an AIO. Honestly, I'm quite shocked, especially it being an NZXT. Oof.
It smelled like chemicals, and I was getting high for a second.
The smell, it's rough. All right, I gotta go. I'm gonna clean this up. If anybody's got any suggestions on what I should do with it, let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna clean it. If it doesn't work, no big deal. I'll probably disassemble it and take this LCD out and try to repurpose it. Whoa, okay, I gotta go. This is rough. See you guys.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.